How to fix Instagram threads is not allowed in your country or region. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Instagram threads is not allowed in your country or region. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So since Instagram ads is just a new app, then just means that it is not available worldwide yet. So there's some countries or region that is not allowed or just downloadable yet. So what we need to do is just install a VPN that you have. So to do that, just head over to Play Store or App Store, search for VPN right here, and you can see a lot of options. So you can install Norton right here, or you can choose from this list. So what I recommend is ExpressVPN, or this one right here if you want the pre-VPN. So just install that, and then after that you can open it. So let's head over to Turbo VPN. And then after that, this will open. So let's just wait for it. Click on tap to connect right here. And then after that, this Turbo will find the fastest server that they have. And once they have found the fast server, then you can just actually search for your Play Store again, and threads should be able to appear on your search history. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Instagram threads is not allowed in your country. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.